Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kate here. Today we're going to paint these orange-red cotton tree flowers. The red cotton tree is very common in subtropical and tropical areas. It is the city flowers of Guangzhou and other cities in China and Taiwan. The trees are big and tall, and the big bright orange-red flowers are attractive for bees, birds, and photographers. I've heard that it also has medical applications. And it is one of the common subjects in traditional Chinese painting for birds and flowers as well. This is the first time I've ever found a footbridge to get up close to the cotton tree flowers during the flowering season so that I can observe close up and see this bird hanging around, which is great to get inspiration. However, I don't find this bird attractive at all, so I'm gonna have to think about it. Then I see this one. This black medium-sized bird looks funny. I mean, it has messy hair on top of its beak, and it is called the Chinese Starling. It is one of the most popular birds that my teacher's teacher would paint, and I find it cute. So I'm going to paint this one, I think. This is the size of the cotton tree flower. It is pretty big with 5 petals and lots of stamens in the middle. It is quite unique. So back to the studio, I'm going to start painting the flowers. I'll start using orange, red, and deep red to get the shades of the color for the petals. And then painting the second one facing slightly different angle. As you can see from my video clips earlier, the flowers actually grows in clusters, and they're so big, so they can't be all facing the same directions in any angles that you look at them. Now I'm using just ink to paint the bird. It is all black, so I'm just going to use just ink for the whole bird except for the feet. Maybe the beak too if you want, because there are different species and the beaks on the feet are orange color. When I first started learning Chinese painting, I just copied what I was taught. I think that's the way a lot of people learn Chinese painting too. A lot of people just copy from what is done by some other artist. But as you get a chance to see the real flowers and the real birds, you can improvise and create your own style and paint it the way that you want it. I think that we've been really fortunate that in this generation, a lot of the things or images can be found online. You can easily Google and find the birds and flowers that you might want to paint. There are a lot of references, and back in the old days, it's hard. Artists specializes in landscape painting would have to bring all the gears, hike up the mountains, sketch or paint on the spot. Today, we can simply take a snapshot with a phone. However, I still think that there are mirrors to sketch on the spot, because what you can see from your eyes is very different from what can be captured in a photograph. And a lot of time, seeing it in real life is much better than we can capture, because you have already framed it within what the camera can do. Now I'm painting these stamens. Instead of using the orange-red color, I'm gonna use ink because it will stand out more. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and press the bell notification button so that you don't miss out any update. I would appreciate it.